Hi there, my name is Randy Fay. I'm one of the maintainers of the DDEV project, and I want to give you the quickest possible demonstration of step debugging with DDEV and PhpStorm. PhpStorm does a great job with this, and so does VS Code. I'm showing PhpStorm today. So this is a simple typo 3 project that I'm going to use here. Let's open it up. Here it is in PhpStorm. What we want to do with step debugging is to know what is happening at every stage of our project. So we can start with just learning how to use it with the index.php here. Now the recommended technique here is to go in and add the DDEV extension. So let's go to the marketplace and look for DDEV. And we want the DDEV integration plugin. We're going to install that. This does everything for you. You can set it up without this, but it's really very nice. Done very well by the maintainers there. So I'm going to say OK. And I think it will make me restart it. I thought it would make me restart it. Maybe it didn't. So I'm going to set a breakpoint here so that I can see what's happening at the very beginning of this project. So let's just see what we can do. I'm going to go here. Let me just view the terminal. And I can do this in the terminal here. And we need to say listen for PHP debug connections. So we have to have a breakpoint. We want to have a breakpoint in general. We'll say listen, and then we're going to say DDEV Xdebug on. And DDEV will then enable that. Until you do that, DDEV isn't trying to connect to Xdebug. Now I'm just going to go and reload this page. And it will automatically pop up PhpStorm's Xdebug. And here I am. I have everything that I need. I can step through this. You see, I see the cookie information here. I can use F8 to let's see if I can use the debugging action to step over the next one. That's an F8. I'll step over, and now here's the next step. Now I can do if class exists. I can do that get. Here's the container, which is a function call. So I'm going to step into that. So let's go debugging actions, step into, which is an F7 by default on Mac OS. And now I can step through each piece of this. And this is great not just for debugging, but for understanding how your system works. I consider it fundamental to every developer's experience to have complete mastery of step debugging in whatever environment they're working with. This is all it takes to use this with DDEV. We're very, very proud of how simple it is. You may have heard or experienced sometime in your life difficulty or complex setup with Xdebug, but DDEV has been very, very proud. We're very, very proud of how simple this is with DDEV. It works the same on VS Code. It works the same on Linux. It works the same in Windows and WSL2. This whole setup works everywhere. So that is less than 5 minutes from start to using and experimenting with Xdebug. So please let us know if you have any comments, questions, or anything else. We're always happy to talk with you. Thanks.